Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to delete channel on YouTube. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So we will not open up the YouTube application or YouTube Studio application, but we will open up the browser here, and we will go to this link where it says studio.youtube.com. Okay, and make sure that you are logged in with your YouTube account that you want to delete basically. Then if you zoom in and come down here to the left bottom side, you will see this gears option. Just tap on it and then wait for the settings to load up, and then tap on channel here, then tap on advanced settings, and then scroll down until you see this option where it says remove YouTube content. So just tap on this one, and now it will basically ask you to enter your Gmail account password. Okay, so you have to select that Gmail from here that is specified with your YouTube account, and then you just need to enter the password for your Gmail account here. And then on the next screen you will basically they will basically tell you that you are about to delete your content on YouTube. You are about to delete your YouTube channel, and then you will press yes, and then basically they will delete your content and your channel as well. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.